in the corresponding hive. Here I also have a hive watchive already built it, it's called fake data awk. Let's take a look first, let's take a look at how much data there is in the whole fake data awk. Just a moment, map reduces slower. Okay, you can see that one of our current results is 0. So, it hasn't been counted yet. We are going to synchronize these 30,000 pieces of data now. So, for convenience, I think the second step, I'll just use Spark to demonstrate to everyone. Then config MySQL to Hive, then we submitted it in Yarn. Then wait quietly for it to finish running. The speed is still fast. 300 pieces of data. Let's take a look at the whole HDFS page. In fact, this table corresponds to the path. Let's take a look, it's counted now, right? So yes, Hive, let's take a look at it first. Stop, see if this table is written correctly. Okay, we found that our data was not lost. We write normally, let's just look at one. Let's take a look at the data. Very, very fast. Did everyone see it? This data has come out. Then let's review the whole process. We go into config. Let's look at the configuration file from MySQL to Hive. Let's see how many lines it has. There are only 30 lines in total. We can completely get synchronous data from MySQL database to Hive. Then the powerful ability of SeaTunnel is embodied incisively and vividly here. What if you use a data integration tool at the same level to do this? Maybe its configuration file takes 50 to 100 lines. But for SeaTunnel, it only takes 30 lines. I can completely synchronize a MySQL table to our corresponding end, and it can guarantee not to lose data. So in the future roadmap, we will do more optimization in this respect, to simplify some configuration parameters. At the same time, we will also provide users with a more detailed configuration. If some users need to control the behavior of data synchronization more finely, then we can also meet your needs. Then some users are lazy, I want to reduce the cost of learning, I just want to match a few parameters to achieve data synchronization. I don't want to write code, then SeaTunnel can help you achieve it. This is the charm of SeaTunnel, is that we can use not more than 30 lines of code to implement a different Flink job and a different Spark job. If you think about it, there are many big data practitioners who are also ETL engineers. When they are usually doing data development work, for example you go to a Spark job or do a Flink job. How many lines of code do you need to write? Right. That's either a few hundred lines or it can solve the problem. Right. So SeaTunnel helps you solve this worry. It can reduce our users' use cost and learning cost. At the same time, we can reduce costs and improve efficiency for businesses. It is possible that in the future, enterprises may it only needs people who know SQL. As long as he can write SQL, he doesn't need to be able to develop Flink, you don't need to be able to develop Spark. As long as he can use SeaTunnel, he can do some data processing work within the enterprise. Let's go back to PPT next. This is a demonstration of a simple case. If anyone has, because there are more than 80 kinds of connectors supported at present. If you're interested, you can go to official website to see the usage of each connector. The connector configuration is very simple, everyone can do it.